Good morning, everybody. We're going to continue chapter 12, the mid-chapter checkpoint here. I'm on page 492, and we're going to start with question 11. So question 11 says, a jug contains 2 gallons of water. How many quarts of water does a jug contain? Now, while I do the snip and sketch, I want you to think about how many quarts of water are in a single gallon. And that is going to be the conversion that you need. So when we talk about this, we're going to say that 1 gallon, looks like I'm in green today, is equal to 4 quarts. If you go back to this lesson on liquid measurement, you would find that the conversion is there, it's 4 quarts. So I have 2 gallons. So I'm going to need to take my 4 quarts and I'm going to times them by my 2 gallons, and that's going to give me 8 quarts of water. That's an S right there. And that's it. Going on to number 12. Serena bought 4 pounds of dough to make pizzas. The recipe gives the amount of dough needed for a pizza in ounces. How many ounces of dough did she buy? So you got to, make sure that you remember that this is like the weight of the pizza dough. So it's going to be the conversion factor where 16 ounces equals 1 pound. And so you're going to take your 4 pounds here and convert them into ounces. So 6 times 4 is 24, carry 2. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2. So we have 64 ounces. That's it. Scrolling on, these are actually not too bad. Vaughn threw the shot put 9 yards at a track meet. The official used a tape measure to measure the distance in feet. How many feet did he throw the shot put? Now, you don't really need to know what a shot put is to do this question. It's an event like running or something, but they throw this big heavy ball. Anyway, all you need to know here is that 9 yards, each yard, that 1 yard equals 3 feet. So even if you don't really understand all of what the question is asking, you know, take a look at what is being asked of you and see if you can just figure it out around it. Um, so our 9 yards times 3 feet to get our answer in feet is going to be 27 feet. If you imagine throwing a very heavy ball 27 feet, that's pretty good. Okay, I'm going to close this out and do the last question. The watering can that Carlos uses in his vegetable garden holds 5 of a certain unit of liquid volume. When full, how much water is in the watering can? So this becomes kind of a tricky question here because how big is this watering can? Um, so if we think about liquid measure, and we have a few, is it a cup, a pint, quarts, gallon? These are our customary units of measurement for liquid. So, and I'm going to have 5 of a certain unit. So could this be 5 cups, 5 pints, 5 quarts, or 5 gallons? Now, if you've seen a regular watering can, I would say it is definitely more than 5 cups and way less than 5 gallons. So now I'm stuck with 5 pints or 5 quarts. Now, 5 pints is more than half a gallon, and 5 quarts is more than a gallon. So I think honestly, it depending on what you recognize as a watering can, that either one of these would be correct. If you had a smaller watering can, maybe it's about half a gallon of water, a little bit more than half a gallon. 4 pints is half a gallon. Maybe you have a larger watering can that 5 quarts could fit into, which would be a little bit more than a gallon. So I'm going to leave this up to you. um, and you can explain your answer as needed. Okay. So thanks, guys, and just keep watching, keep listening, and hopefully I will see you soon. Bye bye.